What's the meaning of bubble and squeak? Bubble and squeak. Bubble and squeak.
Bubble and squeak. Bubble and squeak. Bubble and squeak is a traditional British dish that is typically made from leftover vegetables, most commonly potatoes and cabbage, that are fried together in a pan. The name comes from the sound the vegetables make when cooking. The result is a hearty and flavorful dish that is often served as a breakfast or brunch item. It is a great way to use up leftover vegetables and can be customized with different herbs and spices for added flavor. Overall, bubble and squeak is a delicious and practical way to reduce food waste and create a satisfying meal.